Hello everyone, welcome to Airdrop Income Tech channel. Hope you all are well. As you all know, Bybit like Binance Moonbix has launched their mini app, Bybit Coinsweeper Telegram bot. So many of you want to know how to play this Coinsweeper game. So in the video I will show you how to play the game. At the beginning, I will click on this join link. Here we will click on Play Now option. I will cross here. Well, in the beginning, I will explain some things to you. You basically have to open these boxes. If you open these boxes, you will see how many coins of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and some bomb. Well, here basically 9 bombs can be seen. Your task is to mark these 9 bombs with flags. So how do you do it? I am showing you live. So initially I will open any one box here. So, here this one number means this coin will have 1 bomb on its 4 sides. This is exactly what is meant by the number 3 here. There will be 3 bombs around these 3. That's exactly what is meant by 2 here. These 2 will have 2 bombs on each side. So, you have to find these bombs and indicate them with flags. So let's show it to you. This one coin basically has 1 bomb around it, since this box is not opened here. This means this box must be bomb. And when you understand which box contains the bomb, you will go up and turn on the flag option. After that, click on the box. Next, we will target this one. There will be at most 1 bomb around this one. Since we indicated a boom here, that means this box must not be boom. Coin will be. And when there is coin, then we will turn on the coin option again from above. Then click on this box again. After that, we will target this one. There may be a bomb around it. Since there is 1 box left to open, that means it will be bomb. Then I will turn on the flag here and mark the bomb in the box with the flag. Then we will target this 1 coin. Since we selected 1 bomb around it, that means the other 2 boxes must be coins. In the same way, you have to select a total of 9 bombs. Then you can finish the game. I am showing you full gameplay. See, this game is complete. This is how you play the game. So playing games here will definitely require time. It may take 3 to 5 minutes. And here, because the income from refer is very low. So the more games you can play here, the more you can earn. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe the channel. And join our Telegram channel to get all kinds of updates about all verified airdrops. Link is given in description and the first comment. So I won't make the video too long. Stay healthy everyone. Stay safe. Thanks for watching.